to Storytime. I'm Miss Kim, and I work at Midpoint Library Trenton. Today we are going to talk about ABCs in the alphabet. Our first book we are going to do is a DK book, and it is called Animal Alphabet, a lift the flaps from A to Z. So while I am reading the book, I'll also be lifting up some flaps, and I will need you guys to guess. Make some guesses. So here we go. You ready? Animal alphabets. A. My name begins with an A. I'm a tiny bug. Under this leaf, I am safe and snug. Let's see. I'm an ant. I begin with a B. Watch me fly and flutter by. I am a butterfly. C. My name starts with a C. Can you see me? Do you see ears? Right there. What starts with a C? Cat. Good job. I begin with D. Throw a ball for me. Dog. Good job. E. What has a long trunk and begins with an E? Elephant. What F lives in a swamp and leaps on a log? Frog. G. My name starts with G. I can swing from a tree. Gorilla. Good job. Hip, hip, hooray. My name begins with an H. Hip, hip. Hippo. Good job. I. A lizard that starts with an I and can climb very high. I am an iguana. Starts with a J, end with an R. I'm a big cat, not a car. I'm a jaguar. K. I'm a bear with a K. Okay? Can you see me in this eucalyptus tree? K. Koala. Look for a little lady living under the leaves. This is a ladybug. And psst, I'm behind this mound. My name starts with the M sound. So M. There's a meerkat. How cute. I begin with an N. My name is nearly new. Do you see the lizard? New. Newt. O. My name starts with an O. My 8 arms say hello. Octopus. My name starts with a P. Can you see me? Do you see something behind the leaves? A P. Parrot. Q. I'm a bird, but who knows? My name starts with a Q. There's a tiny bird beside the tree. Quail. Good job. Hello, good afternoon. I'm a rascally Do you see a fuzzy striped tail? Raccoon. S. Boo. I am an S that can make an S shape too. Snake. I begin with T. I'm big and stripy. There's something behind the trees. What starts with a T and has stripes? Tiger. U. My name begins with U. I'm a cockatoo. Umbrella cockatoo. They tricked us. I begin with a V. I'm a big bird here in the tree. Vulture. Do you see the vulture? W. I'm not a dog, but my name sounds like woof. looks like a dog. Wolf. X. I'm an X, and that's a fish. See me splash and splish. Some kind of fish that starts with an X. An X-ray fish. Y. I have a big hairy back. I'm not a cat. I'm a yak. Z. I'm stripy all over. Just look at me. I start with the letter Z. Zebra. Good job. Some of those were kind of hard, weren't they? All right, the next book we are going to do, we are going to use some letters. So I want you to look for the letter that'll hold up and maybe point out, and then you'll know what letter we're on while we're doing the book. The next book is R for Rocket, an ABC book by Tad Hills. Are you ready? Rocket and his friends have fun learning the alphabet. Rocket finds an acorn. Al draws an angry alligator. Bella bounces on a ball while a big blue butterfly watches. Owl offers a cookie and a crayon to Crow. Now will you stop cawing? She asks. Emma digs a deep hole in the dirt near the daisies. In the evening, Emma finds an egg. Fred frolics with fireflies in the field. Nobody sees Goose in the tall green grass. Rocket finds a hat on a hill and puts it on his head. It makes him happy. Bella plays in the ivy. It's not a good idea. It makes her itch. Owl jumps for joy. She loves to fly kites. A ladybug lands on a leaf and listens to Rocket read a letter from Larry. A mouse on a mushroom shares his milk. The waves are noisy and they make Owl nervous. Owl is afraid of the ocean. Rocket paints a picture of a peacock. Owl prefers her pumpkin. It is quiet and Owl is cozy under her quilt. She falls asleep pretty quick. Rocket rests by the river in the rain. Bella sits on a stump. I'm glad I have this sock, she says. Rocket's teacher sees two tiny turtles. Are you twins? She asks. Unfortunately, Mr. Barker can't fit under the umbrella. Bella climbs a vine to get a better view. Rocket wonders, is it windy up there? Bella plays the xylophone. You are a wonder, the little yellow bird yells from across the yard. You play with zest and zeal. Ah, the wondrous, mighty, gorgeous alphabet. That was awesome. Did you hear all the words making the sounds of all those letters? I also want to make sure that you guys find your directions so you can make a squishy bag and practice your alphabet. You can use your finger if you do not have a cotton swab, and then practice making letters. All right, now I have a rhyme, and it is okay. It's a scarf rhyme. We are going to use, I have just a rag that I use. I didn't bring my scarves today. If you do not have a rag, you can also use just a tissue. So we're going to do directions with this one, okay? We're going to go wave your scarf up and down, up and down. Wave your scarf left and right, left and right. Wave your scarf fast and slow, fast and slow. Wave your scarf round and round, round and round. Thanks for joining us for Storytime today. Make sure to visit your favorite Midpoint Library. See you soon.